Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your locked Snapchat account, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and go to support.snapchat.com. You will be taken to the Snapchat support page. Here on the search bar, type in account locked and tap my account is locked. Once you get to this page, scroll down and you can see the section your account has been permanently locked. On this section, tap the unlock your account link. Once you do that, log into your Snapchat account. Enter your username or email address and enter your password. When done, tap Login. A verification code will be sent to your phone, so enter the code here and tap Submit. Next, on the Manage My Account page, scroll down and tap Unlock My Account. And that's how you fix your locked Snapchat account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.